Do you know many people are having trouble with charging their Philips MG3740 Beard Trimmer? Don't worry. In this video, we'll show you how you do this. Let's start. Step 1. Turn off trimmer. Before beginning, ensure the trimmer is turned off to avoid any mishap. Step 2. Find correct adapter. Identify the A00390 supply unit included with the trimmer. It's designed for safe charging. Step 3. Plug into socket. Connect the adapter's small plug into the trimmer socket to prepare for charging. Step 4. Plug into outlet. Insert the power plug of the adapter into a wall outlet to start the charging process. Step 5. Unplug and detach. Once charging is complete, unplug from the outlet and then detach from the trimmer. Following these steps, you should now know how to correctly charge your Philips MG3740 trimmer. Still need help? Visit our website for the complete manual. There you will also find questions and answers from other Philips users. Did you find this video helpful? By subscribing, you help us continue to answer users' questions. So, subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.